fabulous people, this is Priya. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to do a book review. So before getting into the review, so if you're new here, this is Priya. So here I make bookish content and music and everything, all of the hobbies that I have, I'm gonna put all of them here. So I would really like you to be here, staying here, enjoying my content. So please do consider subscribing the channel. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get into the video. So today I'm going to review the book called Thoughts Beyond Measure by Saurabh Pant. This book is the second book from the series Wits and Wisdom, which were written by the author himself. So this book contains a collection of quotes in poetic form. Poetry is a slightly difficult genre for all those who are beginner into reading. The thing is, with poetry, they write in such a way that it takes you a lot of time to understand and get into the poem. And later onwards, once you complete that poem, the another poem comes. So it is such a genre that you need to take your time and read. So all of those who want to read poetry books and who are beginners into reading or who are beginner into reading, it is very difficult to find a good poetry book for them. But yes, we have quite a few books which are easy to read as a beginner. But still, there are many more should come, because if you are very interested in reading poetry, then you couldn't find a good poetry book for a beginner, then what's the point? So for all of those who want to try the poetry genre but the writing shouldn't be that difficult, then you can try out this book. So this book talks about wisdom a lot. See, wisdom is not something that we should feel like, being clever. Wisdom is completely different. So let's get deep into the book review, because I really like the book, the way it has portrayed about wisdom and the wits. It's amazing. Yes, wisdom is all about being clever, judgmental and wise. But if you can't act upon situations using your wisdom, then what's the point of having it? So it's really important to act, and it's really important to raise your voice. It's really important to have unity. And so wisdom has taken a very wrong name right now, I would say, in the present scenario, in the present times. So it's all about, wisdom is all about acting upon situations when they are in need. It's not about just having wisdom and keeping it with you, it's about spreading it too. So yeah. There are totally 10 topics in this book, and the author have written quotes depending upon those 10 topics. So those 10 topics are concerns, emotions, hunger, injuries, lifestyle, Mother Earth, peace, revolutionary strength and unity. I've observed, I really don't know if that is the whole thing about just adding these 10 topics, but you see concern, and then emotions, hunger, injuries, lifestyle, Mother Earth. Don't you feel that all of these 10 topics are interlinking? I really don't know, I don't know why I felt that. At the ending, I felt, when I'm reading the book, at the end, about 30 to 40 pages, I felt that there's some interconnection between these 10 topics. I really don't know if you can sense that too, but I did. I really liked a lot of quotes, for example, the quote which is in the page number 45, if I'm not wrong. Yes, 45. So I would just read it out for you guys. So yeah, I'll read that without seeing. So let's see how it goes. So here it goes. Many moments will make you cry and wallow in pain. Hunger to gain them back would seem palpable, but if you have wits and wisdom, you would have come out of all of those blues of life. So, yeah, that's it. So yeah, I hope I haven't pronounced anything wrong or I've changed the wording, but yeah. See, all of those quotes in the book are very real and raw. All of these quotes are something that you and I have, might have experienced in our lives. See, quotes will just come out when you have some experiences. It could be good or bad, but quotes are not about only bad experiences. Generally, people do think, just about the bad experiences turning into quotes. No, even good experiences does. All of the topics that the author have talked about or portrayed into quotes are really beautiful, and yet the thing I would like to say is that I would really like to have an index in the book, you see, so that I would clearly remember in which page my favorite quote is. Like, naming the quote would be really great. People do that. Or otherwise, just, mentioning all of those 10 topics and mentioning those page numbers would be really great. Apart from that, the writing in the book is very lucid. The way all of those quotes are portrayed, and the formation of sentences and the quotes are really good. The editing is also really good. And if you want to try a poetry book but it should be beginner friendly, then you can try out this book, because this is written in poetic form. It might give you a good start, though it's not poetry, but it is in poetic form. So you get that. So you will experience the form or the genre, writing sense in the book. So that is something you can try it out. As I already told you that this book is the second book in the series of Wits and Wisdom. The author has widely talked about wisdom in the book, and I really like the way he has portrayed wisdom in every quote, like most of the quotes. That is the pure wisdom that we need, that we should have. So this book also gives us a different definition for wisdom, which I really like. I'm gonna rate this book 4 out of 5. It would be really great if this book had an index, just mentioning all of the 10 topics which are discussed in the book, so that we'll just mark our favorites there. So whenever we are rereading this book, we'll definitely go to those parts especially and read them with the utmost care that we should. So yeah, that's the only problem that I had in this book. This is something that I would recommend to all of the beginners out there and all those who want to read some good quotes to get motivation. So this book is all for you guys who are into, beginner into reading and want to read a poetic style writing. So yes, I hope you all like this review video, and if you did, then please do click the like button, share, comment and subscribe, and see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.